Good afternoon. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create roaming profiles in Windows Server 2008. Now, in order for us to do that, we have to set up a trust relationship between the computers we have on our network, which I will show you here. I'm just going to log in. Great. Alright, so to start, you have to go to, let's close these things off here. The Start menu, then Administrative Tools. We're going to go to Active Directory User and Computers. Great. I'm going to select my domain here. I'm going to expand it using the plus icon. And I'm going to select Computers. Alright. And going right here, I'm going to choose one of these. Let's choose Windows 7. I'm going to right click. And I'm going to click Properties. Then you go to Delegation. And I'm going to choose this option here. Trust this computer for delegation to any service. Select that. After I select that, I'm going to click Apply. Right. And then I'm going to click OK. Now this has to be done for all the machines. So I'm going to repeat the process here again. Right. So that's done. So now we need to create a shared folder on the C drive. So I'm going to minimize this here. And I'm going to go to my C drive. Right, which is here. I'm going to create a folder called Profiles. Great. After you have created a folder, I'm going to right click on it, then go to Properties, and after that, you can go to Sharing. I'm going to click Share. I'm going to add everyone to this folder here, and add them. I'm going to give them co-owner permission level, and I'll click Share. Great, so as you see, this is shared right here. I'm going to click Done. After I've done that, I'm going to go to copy this link here, because this link here, we're going to need to use this link later on in order to direct our user to the roaming profile. Yeah, so let's click copy. Alright, so I've copied that. So once I've copied that, I'm going to go to advanced sharing. I'm going to go to permissions. And that's making sure that everybody has full control, change access. Okay, that's okay. Once that's done, click OK here, and click close. Right, so that's done. Now we're going to set up a user account on the Windows Server here. So I'm going to go to Start, then Administrative Tools, Active Directory Users and Computers. I'm going to expand this here. I'm going to click on this user folder here. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to New, and I'm going to go to New User. So let's have to fill out this information here. So I'm going to put, well, this will be like the template for all the other users you're going to create. So I'm just going to put um, Jane Doe. Oh, sorry, this is first name. Jane. Okay, that. Doe. This will be Jane Doe. Alright, Jane Doe here. Jane Doe. Alright, gonna press next. Cool. And create a password. Um, you create your password. Make sure you remember it. I'm going to select password never expires because yeah, it gives you a warning here which you could read because I don't want the password to expire when I log in next time. So I'm going to leave it as this for this tutorial and click next. So I'm verifying full name Jane Doe. User logo name is janedoe@joseph.com and the password never expires. And click finish. Great. So you see the user we have created right here. Cool. So now all we have to do is right click on this user here, okay, and go to properties and profiles. Right, so remember the path we copied just now? We want to paste that path right here where it says profile path. We paste in that, and we want to add this slash percentage sign username percentage sign. The part next slash, so that's I don't know for measure. Cool. Click apply and I'm gonna click OK. Wait, okay. Cool. Right. Right, so at this point we want to create another user based on this Jane Doe template we built here. So we can do that by just right clicking on Jane Doe and we click copy and we could put here I'll put my name Joseph and last name Charles and I'll put the user logo on as Joseph C at joseph.com and I press next and create a password for myself. Right, see here, password never expires selected. I want to press next. Alright, you see this is copied from Jane Doe and I've built another profile based on that. Okay, finish. Now I want to change something here before we move forward, right? Let me right click here and go to properties and go to profile. Right. You see here we copied the previous information from the first user. We want to change this. Alright, because later on if we didn't do this, then the folder for my name will also say Jane Doe. We don't want that. We want it to say my name. So whatever user you have logging in, the profile part, you want to use this percentage sign, username, percentage signs, so that that username comes up on the folder. Alright, so I'm gonna click apply, and see, my username comes up, and I'm clicking OK. Cool, that's done. So now, we want to test this out to see if the roaming profiles will appear in another VM that I've created, Windows 7. So when I log in, I will see the profiles folder. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to minimize this window here. I'm going to open up this profiles folder so that you will see when the folder is being created. And I'm going to open up my Windows 7 VM, which is here. I may just log in. And I'm going to log in using, not this here, but other user. I'm going to put here Joseph C and put the password that I created earlier. See that goes through. It's preparing my desktop. Right, so I've logged in, right? Now let's see if the folder has been created in the roaming profile on the server. So if I go back to the server, as you can see here, there's a folder that says Joseph C on it. So our main profile has been created. Stay tuned for the next video we have coming up, which will talk about the home folder. And that's it for this video.